What we have here is another Snow White Casablanca Venus Halo. This is the second one out of the 4 I have recently purchased about an hour away on Facebook Marketplace. So I finally got the second one all cleaned up and looking nice, since all 4 of these were covered in dust. They all desperately needed a complete disassembly and very thorough cleaning because they were just really bad. They all use K55. They all use K55s. And they all work very good. They're all in pretty good shape, and I would say this one has the most wear. I wouldn't even call it rough. It just has some wear, like some imperfections. Let's see. Okay, so you can see this blade. Something must have hit that. And then up here are some imperfections on this blade. This was actually peeling a lot, but I glued the remaining pieces down. So hopefully there's no issues with that, so they shouldn't be going anywhere. It all was here, and it always been cracked, but I was gonna fix it, and then it was in the trunk of the car still, and it rubbed up against something, and that piece fell off, but that's really nothing. The bottom of it is like perfect. Alright, so that was demo mode. I'm gonna try and stop it here. Okay. I'm gonna leave the light on because I think it looks really cool. And this is speed 1. So all 4 of these were pretty much complete, except one of them was missing a couple screws that holds the blades on. There were like, I think 5 of them were missing, which isn't too bad because you still got the 2 on the other side. And one of the hang-through canopies were missing all 4 long screws that hold it to the crossbar. And on all 4 of these, the finial that holds the bottom of those 2 glass pieces on, they were all very badly scratched. So as a result, I had to spray paint pretty much all of them, I believe. I think I can get away without doing it for one of them, but this is one of them that got spray painted. A little surprised when I got these is that all the bearings were almost perfect in all 4 of these fans. So that tells me they were not used that much. And on the IntelliTouch controls, the light button was very worn out. I'm actually going to show one of them right now. If I can find it. I don't know if these were the controls that belong to it. You can see one of them right here. This one's not too bad, but you can see the light button is like faded. I don't know how well you could see that. And I accidentally just tripped on the camera tripod. I'm moving up to speed 3. This is speed 4 now. And we'll go ahead and do speed 5. The fan actually stays quite still up until speed 6. It starts to shake around a little bit. And we'll put on full power, speed 6 now. You can see it shaking around. Go ahead and do spin down. And while that's coming to a stop, I'm going to show this part. It is spray painted, and you can see this one is actually not, didn't come out that well. It's like the layers of paint aren't really the greatest. The reason why that is because in the middle of painting it, I dropped it on the floor, and so I had to resand it after all those layers of paint were on there and basically try to do my best and restart, and it didn't come out that well. The other ones came out a lot better, and this one isn't that bad. It's just not perfect. not too much to say about it other than what I've already said, and that's all I have for this Snow White Casablanca Venus Halo.